But let's dive right into the topic. First of all, it depends on whether you are starting or whether you have FIFA on your Origin launcher on Steam or EA. But I think the most of you will have it on Origin, so I will just quickly show you how you can do it on Origin. So just start your Origin launcher as normal, and then just sign in. And then when you're signed in with the right account, we have a few options. First of all, we can obviously on the bottom right corner friends list, open this here, and then we can click on this icon here. Or another option is on the top left corner, the third tab, friends, and then click on add a friend. And then we have again a few options. First of all, we can use the public ID of our friends, the real name or the email address. I would always suggest you to use the public ID. How do I know the public ID? Public ID is just this username on the bottom left corner. So just ask a friend what is there a public ID on the bottom left corner, and then just type it in here. And then just click on search. And then you can click on view profile, and then on the top right corner, click on add friend. Then in your friends account, it would show up a message in the friends list section here, and then they just need to click on accept. And that's already it. Then we can just send messages, join games, invite to games, watch broadcasts, whatever we want. And that's how easy it is. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions or something didn't work, I'm always happy to answer your comments as soon as possible. So just leave a comment. Then we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. Bye.